Hey guys, today I will talk about the US dollar versus the Swiss franc because yeah, I've talked about this market yesterday during my live trading session, my live webinar. So I will talk about a deeper drop, of course, only if the dollar index will activate maybe a potential deeper drop, if the dollar index will um, register a sell-off right after the US retail sales. So here is the disclaimer. Please read it, guys. It's important to understand the risks. And here is support. If you have questions, you can send an email to support. Learn to trade forex signals. If you want to become a VIP member, follow us on Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget that Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly and will never ask for payment. Okay, so please read the disclaimer. And yeah, I will take a look on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's take a look. First of all, dollar index. I told you guys today in that market breakdown that the dollar index continues to move sideways, and I've said that as long as it stays above 109.47, the pivot point here 109.37, 109.28, the bias remains bullish. Okay, and this this represents only an accumulation, consolidation before extending its growth after this amazing rally, consolidation, accumulation. But only better than expected US data later today could help the dollar index to jump towards new highs. Okay, so retail sales 0.1% growth expected in the last month. Core retail sales 0.0% growth expected. Okay, Empire State Manufacturing Index minus 12.7 expected. Also, don't forget unemployment claims 225,000. Okay, in the last week. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index 2.4 versus 6.2. Import prices, industrial production only 0.0% growth expected. Capacity utilization rates 80.2 expected. Business inventories, okay, 0.6%. So don't forget that these will bring high volatility and sharp movements. Don't forget that the fundamentals will take the lead and will move the markets. We'll have these economic indicators, US data. The US data will have an impact on all markets, okay, not only on the US dollar, but also on gold, silver, US oil, Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe US equities. Yeah, so that's why also on the Japanese yen. So it's very important to understand that right now technically the dollar index is still bullish as long as it stays above this uptrend line and above this this zone, because we also have something like a triangle and also a potential range between 109.97, 109.28. Okay, but worse than expected US data could force the dollar index to drop deeper here in the short term, and only better than expected US data could force the dollar index to make a very breakout and to extend its growth. US dollar versus the Swiss franc here right now. So US dollar versus the Swiss franc, unfortunately it has failed here to stabilize above 0.9627. Okay, I talked about this key level yesterday, and I've said that the value breakout could signal potential further growth after staying here near this resistance level. But right now, sell off. Okay, breakdown here below 0.9581. Okay, and if it stays below this level, test retest. Okay, if it stays below these former lows here as resistance levels, 0.9589, 0.9581. And testing, retesting this level, staying here and registering maybe only, I don't know, false breakouts, okay, in the short term. A new lower low could signal potential deeper drop. But don't forget that only if the scenario could take shape, in my opinion, only if the US data will come in worse than expected, okay? Because right now, I don't know, better than expected US data could invalidate this breakdown. Well, I don't know, maybe the price will register a bullish engulfing, the price will register a major bullish candle here, and it could invalidate potential deeper drop. Okay, so it's important to know that the fundamentals will drive the market later. That's why you'll have to be careful, because anything could happen later. It's also risky to trade during the US data dump. So maybe you should stay away, and because there are a lot of opportunities. So also here a new lower low here stabilizing below the medium line could signal potential downside movement, or a new higher high here maybe after better than expected US data could signal potential further growth. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget about the risk disclaimer. Don't forget to visit our website, Learn to Trade, Instagram, follow us, YouTube channel, please subscribe. And yeah, this is my opinion about this market in the short term. Thank you. Bye bye.